Shall we try this with a little puppy corgi? No, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna let him go click, click, click with his little toes, and we're gonna talk about this unboxing. Let's hop right into it. Do you have neck issues? If you're like me and you do a lot of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, or in my wife's case, she does a lot of hot yoga. She's always contorting her neck in different directions. And so she shelled out for this thing. I just wanted to show you a quick little unboxing. Later, we're going to show you exactly how this is set up. But if you're like me, you're thinking, wow, this is quite the unpackaging here. It comes in a very nice canvas bag. So as you can see, it's all strapped down, so you can actually take this on the road. It won't rattle around. First of all, we have manuals. We don't care about that. Got a squishy little pad that's actually gonna be going under your head. Nice. And then the whole thing slides out like so. As you can see, we have the knob here so that you can adjust exactly how much poundage you want to take off of your neck. We are very, very excited to alleviate some pain, and in the long run, this, if it does work, it's going to pay itself off as opposed to going like 3 or 4 chiropractor appointments. So in all seriousness, the instructions are pretty handy. This card right here takes you through about the first 10 steps to kind of getting it all in order. Pretty much just go slowly, go very incrementally. It's pretty easy to hit that red release button to immediately take any kind of pressure off, so fairly safe when I tried this. As for where your head goes, you can see it's very squishy where your neck lays right there. And then if you were to kind of go up, this back of your head kind of goes right on that squishy pad, and then this cradles your neck. The little ratchety knob itself does not require any kind of batteries. It goes click, click, click as you increase the pressure. And of course, that red button, when you push that, it immediately releases any kind of tension. If you have a thick or skinny neck, you can adjust the width of these little pinchers that kind of cradle the neck, and these go back and forth and lock into place. You can also adjust the angle by tipping it upside down, and as you can see, it's a bit sharper of an angle like so if you were to squeeze these little locking mechanisms on the bottom, an even steeper angle. And then of course, if we were to expand it all the way up like so, that is the least incline, just like that. Now let's hop into first impressions. First of all, you're gonna lay down on a comfortable surface, and you're gonna go ahead and strap in your head using the included head strap, nice and soft. To actually adjust the tension, go ahead and turn this knob. You can actually hear the click, click, click. And as it's going up very gently, and if at any time you want to release, there's a little red button on the side, and when I click that, it goes down. A quick pro tip, when you put this thing on your carpeted floor, so you're laying out nice and straight, nice and aligned, I've actually positioned this thing right above there. So this long gooseneck thing attaches to something nearby, like a tabletop or a coffee table. And then on this side, it actually is able to adjust, and you can put your phone on there. How cool is that? So as you're laying here, you're looking straight up, and you're able to watch things like Netflix, and you're able to just chill. Just be sure to put a timer on, otherwise you're gonna go into some YouTube or Netflix wormhole, and then you will just forget that you've been laying there, and you don't wanna lay there for too long. Cool, huh?